Now we are discussing class Amphibia. Do you know that amphi means both water? Some animals are lives in this water as well as land. Okay, as well as land. So both having aquatic as well as the terrestrial habitats followed by this. Some animals, that animals we called out amphibians. So that animals is a poikilothermic. Okay, poikilothermic. Poikilothermic means poikilothermic. Do you know that? So it will be adapted for that the environment. So the body will be divided into the head, thoracic region, and head region, thoracic region, and this terminal region. Okay, so the head and trunk and most of them two pairs of limbs are here. So tail may be present or absent. So that so the skin is smooth and rough. So mostly it is a pigmented or glandular in nature. Eyelids are present here, and respiration is by this gills, lungs through by the skin. So gills, lungs through the skin. Heart is three-chambered. Heart is three-chambered. Heart is three-chambered heart. So mesonephric kidneys are present here. Sex are separate and fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. They are oviparous. They are oviparous. The development is indirect hibernation and estivation it will be followed. Hibernation and estivation it will be followed. Hibernations. Do you know that the hibernation? So what is the hibernation? This is a way of animals conserve the energy to survive adverse weather conditions or lack of food. Yeah, so the best example is toad, rana, mostly frog families. Okay, Ethiopus, Limpus amphibians are here. Okay, you see that? This is the amphibians. Amphibians means it lives in the aquatic as well as the terrestrial mode of life. Okay, terrestrial mode of life. So next one it is. So it is a holothermic animals. It will be divided into this head and this trunk. Okay. So next kidneys. It is a mesonephric kidneys are here. So three-chambered heart is present. Three-chambered heart is present. So mostly it will be oviparous and development is indirect. Development is indirect. Hibernation and estivation it will be followed. So next one it is a class Reptilia. Do you know that there is a Reptilia? Repta means to creep or crawl. Creep or crawl. So mostly it is a terrestrial animals are here. So it is covered by the scales. So coroniferous scales and epidermal scales are here. So do you know that? It is a crocodiles. Crocodile skin. It is a soft. No, it is a scales are here. Okay, it is a rough in stature. It is a rough in stature. Okay. So reptiles are also this three-chambered heart. Reptiles also three-chambered heart is present. Cleroic eggs. Yeah, it lays the cleroic eggs. The time of the extra embryonic membranes, amnion, chorion, and yolk sac it will be present. So and this metanephric kidneys it will be here. Uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals. Sexes are separate. Well marked. Sexual dimorphism is here. Internal fertilization takes place. All are oviparous. Internal fertilization takes place. All are oviparous. So this is also this Reptilia. Kya Reptilia? The best example is Jane and tortoise, turtles, hemididymus, house lizard, chameleon, tree lizard, cactus, cotton lizard, tadpole, flying lizard, crocodiles, poisonous snakes, naja. This here. Okay. You see that Reptilia is mostly terrestrial animals. It is made of the body is made up of this triscales. Body is made up of this triscale. The heart is three-chambered. Mesonephric kidneys it will be followed. So next one is cleroic eggs. So cleroic eggs. So amnion, chorion and yolk sac. Embryonic development is here. Embryonic layers it will be followed. So next one it is fertilization is internal fertilization takes place. Internal fertilization takes place and sexual dimorphism also takes place here. So most of these lizard families. So next one it is birds. Class aves. Class aves. So aves are commonly known as birds. What are the characters of these birds? It is a flying ability. It is able to fly. It is able to fly. So some of the flightless birds are here. So what is the flightless birds? Ostrich, kiwi, penguin. Okay. So four limbs are modified into wings. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, running, swimming, perching. Okay, are you understand? Four limbs நமக்கு கை எப்படி இதாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அது விங்ஸ் தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கும். கால் எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படின்னா வாக்கிங், ரன்னிங், ஸ்விம்மிங், பர்ச்சிங் இஸ் கியர். ஸோ ஆல் glands are present in the body. Body is made up of this oil glands or brain glands, okay, at the base of the tail. So the whole body it is made up of this glands, okay. Skin is dry and also except the oil glands are present here. So exoskeleton, epidermal feathers, scales, claws and legs, horny covering of the beak. Horny covering of this beak. Horny covering எப்படி இருக்கும் அதோட beaks வந்து it is made up of this some of the particular bones like structure, okay. Endoskeleton is fully ossified, okay. So pneumatic phones are present, okay. Hollow air cavities are called is that bones we called out pneumatic bones. So pectoral muscles used for this are flying. So respiration is compact, elastic, spongy tissues. Spongy tissues is made up of the lungs. So that's why it will be easily fly, okay. Heart is four-chambered. Heart is four-chambered. So migration it will be well more. Parental care it will be observed. Parental care it will be observed. Okay. So sex are separate, well marked sexual dimorphism. In males testes pair of testes are present, but females only one ovary is well developed. So while right ovary is atrophied. All bats are oviparous. Maclithial and cleroid. Fertilization is internal. So birds, listen. So examples: quercus, crow, clama, pigeon, Pistidia, parrot, pavo, peacock, Hamptonius, penguin, neo, vulture, Chaplocarpus indica. Okay, this is the birds. So homeothermic means a relatively uniform body temperature maintained yearly independent of the environmental temperature. Warm blooded, there are several mechanisms by which homothermic animals it will be followed. Okay. So next last chapter is class Mammalia. Do you know that? Mammalia. They are found in variety of habits or here. So the body is made up of this fully covered scars. So it is a mammalian glands are present. So in males mammalian glands are rudimentary. In females it will be well developed at the time of this parturition. It is well developed. Two pairs of legs are here, climbing, powering, swimming, flying is here. The skin is glandular in nature. Okay, the skin is glandular in nature and it consists of sweat glands and skin glands and sebaceous glands are present here. Epidermal cones, spines, scales, nails, screws, bony dermal plates are here. Teeth are present. Teeth, heterodont and different. Do you know that? Teeth types. External ears we call as pinning. Heart are four chambers, RBC cells. So the red blood cells having this hemoglobin, concave and non-nucleated one. So mammals having this a large brain when compared to other animals. The greatest intelligence of the all animals. The kidneys are metanephric, okay, ureotelic. So all animals are homeothermic. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Example: oviparous, anthidium, viviparous, macrosus. You see that this is the mammals. Dolphin, platypus, kangaroo, turtle, panaquilin, loris, kangaroo. You see that. So we got to easily find out of this and the mammals. So mammals, presence of mammary glands are present. Okay, it will be awarded two pairs of limbs are here, hand and loom limbs. Okay, for this two pairs of limbs are adapted for walking, running, climbing, etc. Exoskeleton, so epidermal cones, spines, scales, claws, nails, it will be present. So in the human beings, teeth are deodont and heterodont and typhocont. External ears we called out this pinna. So yes, finish the lesson.